Okay, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, girls, today we are going to start with another chapter, which is switching techniques. Okay. So we are done with the data link layer. Now, I wanted to tell you that in data link layer, there is error control, flow control, right? And there's also something called as error detection, which you have to do it on your own. Girls, there are two topics which is for self study. One is error detection, and the other is guided unguided media. Guided unguided media is full theory on the characteristics of the wire and all that. You have to just mug that up. And data error correction. Why? Because it already happened in COA. So you can refer to COA notes also, and or you can either refer to the notes that I have given. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So let's begin with switching techniques. Now, see, when there is a bigger, when the communication network is very huge, or when when the transmission goes beyond local area network, such type of what do we do in such type of networks? We need switching devices. Now, in these, what happens with switching devices is that the switching devices, यानी इसको हम लोग nodes बोलते हैं. These devices, they transmit the data from one node to the other node. Okay. See, in the diagram given on the left hand side, this is a network. Okay. Now the network can be built using any topology. All right. I hope you all remember what is a topology. So it can be mesh topology, bus topology, a star topology, any topology. Now these, can you all see बाहर जो systems दिख रहे हैं, ये दिख रहा है बाहर के. These are
Yes, ma'am.
these are known as stations. What are they called?
Stations.
Stations. Now, these stations can be computers, it can be other terminals, it can be telephones, or any communicating device. Okay, but commonly we refer to them as stations. All right. Now, these stations are connected to various devices, which we commonly refer to as nodes. What are these devices called?
Notes.
Nodes.
Nodes. Now what will happen is, suppose for example, this personal computer, this station B has to transmit data to D. So it is connected to it is connected to node 1, right? Node 2 is connected to node 1 is connected to node 2. Node 2 is connected to node 3, and node 3 is connected to station. So what are these nodes going to do? These nodes are going to pass on the data from one node to the other. Now, why will the node 1 connect to node 2 only? Why will the node 1 connect to node 2 only? Or why not to node 4? Is because node 1 knows that the destination is D. Which node is leading to this destination? That will be checked by the node. Okay. So the node 1 knows that the destination is D. Now, which is the route that is taking me to D? This is the route, or any other route? Any other route?
1453.
1453 is also a route. So see, now in these nets, suppose अगर ये 1 to 4 का connection नहीं होता, okay, 1 to 4 का connection अगर नहीं होता, तो वो यहाँ से भेजता, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So the node 1 knows that if the destination is D, which is supposed to be the next leg in the route. Now there can be multiple routes. In fact, for performance sake, there should be multiple routes, okay, that is connecting to a particular from a particular source to a particular destination. Because अगर ये route पे traffic है, तो वो उसको दूसरे route से भेज सकता है ना. So there should be multiple routes. Now, multiple routes are basically to enhance the performance. Okay. Now, this is a simple switching network. This diagram that you see is a simple switching network. Now, let's have a look at the text that I have written. For transmission for transmission of data beyond local area, यानी थोड़ा बड़ा network में, it is achieved by transmitting data from source to destination through a network of intermediate switching nodes. These are called as intermediate switching nodes. Intermediate मतलब जो बीच में रहता है ना, mediators जैसा, उसको बोलते हैं intermediate switching nodes. Okay, the switching nodes are not concerned with the content. Okay, they are not concerned with the content of the data. Rather, their purpose is what? To provide switching facility. Switching facility matlab kya? A facility that will help data move from one node to the other so that it reaches its destination. That is switching facility. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, abhi tak samjha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the devices attached to the network may be referred to as stations. ये क्या है? Stations, जो source और destination रहते हैं. Okay, so these are the devices that are attached to the network. Stations may be computers, like I told you. It can be computers, it can be telephones, it can be any other terminals. Okay, which is connecting to the nodes. Now, why are they connecting to the nodes? So that they can communicate at far away, communicate with far away devices. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, nodes are connected to one another in some topology by transmission links. So I told you there can be some topology that is used for connection of these nodes. Each station attaches to a node and the collection of nodes is referred to as communication network. So what is a communication network? Collection of these nodes is known as communication network. Got it? Understood? Very simple.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now there are some observations. What are those observations? Some nodes connect only to other nodes. What are, can you give me the examples of those nodes which are connecting not to stations but only to other nodes? Just if you see node number 5, is it connecting to any station?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, number 7 also.
Number 7 also it's not connecting to any station. So there can be such nodes which are connecting only to nodes, which are not connecting directly to the station. Okay, that it's possible. Now, node to station links are generally point-to-point links. यानी ये देखो, these are links which are generally point-to-point links. Okay, ये देखो, node 4 to station A, now node 6 to station F. Okay. Now, my question, there is a small assignment that I want to give you, is that you have to find out whether these nodes can be computer terminals or not. Or if these nodes are only switches with that switching software. Got my question?
No, ma'am.
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है, अब तक तुम लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन मुझे पूछ लेना चाहिए था. मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि ये जो नोड्स हैं, जो डिवाइसेस होते हैं, स्विचिंग डिवाइसेस, ये क्या है? व्हाट आर दीज डिवाइसेस? जैसे मैंने स्टेशंस तुम लोगों को बताया that these can be computers, this can be telephones और communicating devices. वैसे ये क्या है? Can they be computers? Can they be computers as well? Or are they special hardware which is known as switches? You have to find out that. Is that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next class you have to give me an answer. All right. Okay. Now, usually the network is not fully connected. That is, there is no direct link between every possible pair of nodes. Now, here see 1 और 5 के बीच में connection नहीं है. ऐसा भी possible है. Okay. But it is desirable that there should be more than one ways or more than one route to reach a particular station. Okay. Matlab, if I have to go from B to D, there should be more than one route available. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप उसको एकदम फुल मैश में कर दो, हाफ मैश भी कर सकते हो. तो ये जरूरी नहीं है that every node to every other node. It's not compulsory. However, if I have to transmit data from one station to the other station, it will go via a particular route. That is understood. Now, what I'm trying to say is that, for performance reasons, make sure that it is desirable. मतलब अच्छा होगा अगर there are multiple routes available between two stations. Is that understood?
Ma'am, can you repeat that, please?
Okay. See, अरे यार ये किधर जाता है? हाँ. See, what I'm trying to say is that it's not necessary that every node will be connected to every other node. In which topology does this happens? Can anyone tell me? That every node is connected to every other node. Which topology?
Star topology.
Star topology.
No,
Mesh topology.
it's mesh topology. That every node is connected to every other node. So it's not necessary, यानी ये हम लोग जो कर रहे हैं स्विचिंग टेक्निक्स जो पढ़ रहे हैं उसमें ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आप हर एक नोड को दूसरे नोड से कनेक्ट करो, क्योंकि अगर आप हर एक नोड को दूसरे नोड से कनेक्ट करते हो तो आप वायर्स इंक्रीज करते हो, उसके साथ में जो डिसएडवांटेजेस है वो बढ़ाते हो. तो इन लोग ने थियोरी में यहाँ पे क्या बोला है कि ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि आप हर एक नोड को दूसरे नोड से कनेक्ट करो, लेकिन इतना जरूर ध्यान रखो कि दो बिटवीन टू पेयर ऑफ स्टेशंस देयर आर मल्टीपल पाथ्स अवेलेबल. बस इतना ध्यान रखना है. ठीक है, समझा?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
हाँ, अगर एक ही पाथ है तो क्या होगा बिटवीन टू पेयर ऑफ स्टेशंस? If there is only one path available, then what will happen? Yes, what will happen? Come on, tell me. Will the data be transmitted if there is only one path available? Bolo?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. In which case? In which, if there isn't any traffic, if there is a jam, if there is a lot of traffic, if there's congestion, then the performance will degrade. क्योंकि अगर एक ही पाथ है, ले दे के सारा पैकेट उसी पे ट्रांसमिट हो रहा है तो उस पे लोड कितना बढ़ता है ना. कंजेशन हो गया तो तुम्हारा डेटा ट्रांसमिशन होगा क्या? कितना डिले हो जाएगा?
Yes, ma'am.
इसीलिए बोलते हैं कि मल्टीपल रूट्स होने चाहिए. अभी मल्टीपल रूट्स मतलब जब तुम लोग घर से बाहर निकलते हो गूगल जी मैप चालू करते हो, है ना?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
जी मैप हम क्यों देखते हैं? जैसे आई माय मॉम स्टेज इन थाना, सो व्हेनेवर आई हैव टू गो टू थाना आई फर्स्ट चेक that which is a shorter route that it's showing me, because there are two major routes that I know. One is Ghodbandar wala route and the other is ये JVLR वाला route जो पवई हीरानंदानी से होके जाता है. So I have to check that which one is a shorter. Through GPS tracking system, it tells me that which one is the shorter, कहाँ पे congestion है. So suppose if Ghodbandar road पे पूरा congestion है, तो I will take JVLR route. अगर JVLR रूट नहीं होता, अगर सिर्फ घोड़बंदर वाला ही रूट होता तो मैं वहां जाके और सिर्फ ट्रैफिक ही बढ़ा रही हूँ ना, मैं कभी पहुंचूंगी?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
समझा? अभी मल्टीपल रूट्स का मतलब समझा?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, अभी मल्टीपल रूट बोलो या पाथ बोलो एक ही बात है. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I assume that you all have understood. Have you all understood it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cool. So now here, see, communication via circuit switch implies that there is now, see, अभी तक हम लोगों ने ये पढ़ लिया that what is switching network. Okay, we have learned what is switching network. Now there are 2-3 types of a network. Okay, the first type is circuit switch network. So let's first understand what is circuit switch network. Okay, communication via circuit switch implies that there is a dedicated communication path between two stations. Now, what do you mean by dedicated communication path? What do you mean by dedicated?
Means the path is only used by those two stations.
Very good. Very good. The path is used by only those two stations. Okay? That path is a connected sequence of links between network nodes. So see, the left hand side, the GIF, what does it show? That there is one station that is connecting to another station. Okay? Now, that station first establishes the connection with node 1. Then node 1 establishes the connection with node 3. Node 3 connects to node 5, and then finally node 5 connects to the station. Now, when this call is established, only after that this station can transmit, otherwise no. Is that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So in circuit switch, what happens is that if a station has to transmit data to any other station, it has to first establish a call, establish a connection, or establish a circuit, then data transfer, and then terminate, disconnect. ये कहाँ होता है? Can you all give me a good example for this? Real life example for this. Which device does this? Anyone?
When we call normally, that is also a dedicated communication.
When you call. So what do you use when you call?
We dial the number, it establishes the connection with the other person, we talk, and then we terminate by hanging it up.
So what is the device called?
Mobile, yeah. Mobile or telephone.
Or your telephone. Who gave that answer?
Ma'am Radhika.
Radhika. I think Radhika is the only person who's understanding. Very good, Radhika. Very, very good. Relating this, मेरा इतना छोटा सा explanation में, if you could relate it to a telephone system, very nice. Good that you've understood. Girls, I hope everybody else is understood as well. Maybe because you don't feel like talking,
Yes,
इसीलिए
ma'am.
शायद तुम लोग बात नहीं कर रहे हो. But I hope that you all are understanding.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी जब हम लोग को फोन लगाना होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं? हम लोग फोन उठाते हैं, हम लोग डायल करते हैं नंबर, देन वी वेट, राइट? वी वेट, और यू डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट टॉकिंग. जैसे स्टार्ट टॉकिंग.
No,
ना?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, what do? You dial the number, then you wait for the person to answer. Now, if I am dialing to a person sitting in Delhi, okay, it will go via some route. बीच में टेलीफोन एक्सचेंजेस आएंगे, तो पहला वो कनेक्ट होगा, डिफरेंट टेलीफोन एक्सचेंजेस को कनेक्ट होगा, फिर रिसीवर को कनेक्ट होगा, तब तक वो टुक 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 बजता है. एंड देन वंस द कॉल इज एस्टैब्लिश्ड, यानी लास्ट यूजर यानी रिसीवर तक कनेक्शन एस्टैब्लिश हो गया है, तो रिंग बजती है, ट्रिंग 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 ट्रिंग.
Yes, ma'am.
फिर अगर वो बंदे ने उठाया तो आप बात कर पाओगे ना, या बेल बज रही है तो भी बात कर सकते हैं.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. So a circuit establishment, call establishment is essential for you to transfer the data, for you to talk. This is known as circuit switch network. Now in the GIF, do you understand that DTE, यानी data terminal equipment उसका full form है, that DTE is connecting to node 1, node 1 then connects to node 3, node 3 connects to node 5 then connects to DTE. DTE receives. Okay. Now there is a connection between DTE and DTE, between those two stations. Once the connection is established, now the station 1 will start transmitting the data. Now, this connection once established, it cannot be used by any other station. ना? मतलब ये यहाँ पे हो गया, लेकिन अभी ये चैनल कोई और स्टेशन यूज नहीं कर सकता, ये वाला रूट. क्यों? क्योंकि ये डेडिकेटेड पाथ है. ये डेडिकेटेड पाथ है, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. इसीलिए देखो, इफ जैसे जब हम फोन करते हैं और अगर मैं किसी से बात कर रही हूँ और कोई दूसरा बंदा भी मुझे फोन करने की कोशिश करेगा, तो उसको एंगेज आएगा ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यस, अंडरस्टूड.
Ma'am,
हाँ
If ma'am that if can you open that please? Can you go back, ma'am? Yeah. Ma'am, if we want to connect from 4 to second number machine, so can we connect like 1 or 5 के बीच में 3 is a mediator.
हाँ 3 is a mediator node, लेकिन 3 is a node. It's not a channel that you are using. So you can connect. मतलब DT से 4, 4 से 3, 3 से 2.
हाँ हाँ.
I को रूट वापस नहीं यूज कर सकते. मतलब आप ऐसे नहीं जा सकते. DT to 4, okay, 4 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 2, and then this DT. ये नहीं कर सकते आप.
Okay, okay. Now got it. Yes.
Yeah, वो यहाँ से ऐसे जा सकता है because this is a node. It's not a channel. No, it is a node. It is a mediator. So in a node, if you see multiple devices connect, and there can be active connection between many devices. Okay, I'll show you how one node looks like. I'll show you that. But ये
Okay, ma'am.
solve हो गया ना?
हाँ. Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Now see, the connection path is established before data transmission begins. This everybody understood. Before you transmit any data, the connection has to be established. The path has to be established, or the circuit has to be established. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ पे भी देखो क्या हो रहा है. डायलिंग किसको डायल कर रहा है? ये ए बी को डायल कर रहा है. पहले उसने इसके साथ कनेक्शन बनाया, इसके साथ, इसके साथ, इसके साथ, फिर यहाँ. अब ये रिंग होएगा. रिंग होके तुम्हारा एस्टैब्लिश हो गया है, लेकिन ये उठाएगा तो तुम ट्रांसमिट कर पाओगे. ठीक है? कॉल एस्टैब्लिशमेंट बोलते हैं उसको. समझा?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, circuit switching can be rather inefficient. Channel capacity is dedicated for the duration of a connection, even if no data are being transferred. See, there is some disadvantage in this. What is the disadvantage? Now, voice transmission अगर है, voice connection अगर है, तो मेरा चैनल पूरा यूटिलाइज होएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि तुम लोग अगर फोन करोगे तो बात तो करोगे ना, या सिर्फ एक दूसरे की सांसें सुनते रहोगे.
No, ma'am.
बात करेंगे.
बात करोगे ना. You will listen to, I mean, the person will talk and you will acknowledge or whatever. You will talk, and once you are done, you will disconnect. Correct? So for duration, the connection is established. It will be utilized. There will be transmission of data from here and there. In voice transmission, मतलब अगर तुमने फोन लगाया है किसी को, suppose for example हम फोन की बात करें, तो अगर तुमने फोन किसी को लगाया है, तो when you all are talking, you are talking, okay, I am talking, and then the person is listening to me. फिर वो बात करी, फिर मैं वापस से बात करी, फिर वो बात करी. So तुम देख रहे हो वो जो पाथ है, जो कनेक्शन एस्टैब्लिश्ड है, वो यूटिलाइज हो रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
See,
yes, ma'am.
100% यूटिलाइजेशन नहीं होगा, बट मैक्सिमम लेवल तक तो यूटिलाइजेशन है, हाई यूटिलाइजेशन है.
Ma'am, like now we are doing, right?
Yes, so the utilization is high. But अगर क्लाइंट सर्वर या टर्मिनल टू कंप्यूटर का कनेक्शन है, तो जैसे क्लाइंट सर्वर कनेक्शन में क्या होता है, जितने भी क्लाइंट मशीन होती है या जो भी क्लाइंट मशीन है जो सर्वर को कनेक्ट करना होता है, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग सुबह जाते हैं, हम लोग कनेक्शन एस्टैब्लिश कर लेते हैं. फिर हमको जैसे जैसे फाइल्स चाहिए होती है हम लोग उसको रेफर करते हैं. कई बार कितने देर तक वो कनेक्शन आइडल रहता है. तो इस केस में यूटिलाइजेशन है क्या चैनल कैपेसिटी का? मैं अभी टेलीफोन की बात नहीं कर रही हूं. I am talking about client server connection. Telephone we have understood that it is voice transmission. What kind of data it is? Voice transmission.
Noise.
Yes, but if it is data transmission, how is data transmission possible? If I am connecting to a server, I am a client machine, I am connecting to a server. If I connect to a server using circuit switch network, सर्किट स्विच में क्या होता है, पहले कॉल एस्टैब्लिश करना होता है. कॉल एस्टैब्लिश होगा, उसके बाद ही आप डेटा ट्रांसफर करेंगे. डेटा ट्रांसफर होने के बाद में आप डिस्कनेक्ट कर देंगे. ठीक है? ये इतना समझा तुम लोगों को सर्किट स्विच क्या होता है?
हाँ. Yes, ma'am.
समझ गया. अभी टेलीफोन सिस्टम कैसे चलता है ये भी समझ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Yes, ma'am.
अब हम सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल लेंगे. दैट एग्जाम्पल इज ऑफ अ क्लाइंट सर्वर कम्युनिकेशन. Now I am a client machine. I am connected to a server machine. Morning that I log in, the first thing that I do is I connect to my server. मैं सर्वर से कनेक्ट करके रखती हूँ. उसके बाद में मैं अपना काम करती हूँ मेरे लोकल होस्ट पे. फिर मुझे लगता है कि नो आई नीड वन फाइल फ्रॉम द सर्वर. फिर मैं इस कनेक्शन तो एस्टेब्लिश्ड ही है. फिर मैं जाके वो सर्वर से फाइल फेच करूंगी, उस पर कुछ काम करूंगी. 3-4 घंटे मैंने काम किया, तब तक वो जो कनेक्शन है कनेक्टेड ही है, बट देयर इज नो ट्रांसमिशन हैपनिंग. इट इज सिटिंग आइडल. वो कनेक्शन एस्टेब्लिश्ड है. फिर मैंने 4 घंटे उस फाइल पे काम किया. उसके बाद में मैंने सर्वर में वापस वो फाइल सेव की. ओके, अपडेट कर लिया. तो अभी मैंने उसको यूज किया आफ्टर 4 आवर्स. तो 4 घंटे का वो आइडल बैठा था ना, डूइंग नथिंग. वो कनेक्शन तुम सोचो, अगर वो डेडिकेटेड पाथ है, इफ यू आर utilizing a particular resource in a dedicated manner, then you have to make sure that the dedicated channel is utilized not 100% but maximum. Now in client server model, it is not maximum utilization, waste hai. समझा?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure समझाना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. रितिका, तुम्हारा yes मुझे कन्विंसिंग नहीं लग रहा है. Are you sure you've understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, so if you are establishing for client server communication, if you are using circuit switch, then the performance will not be, I mean, performance matlab your utilization of the resources is not good. There's a lot of wastage. The capacity may sit idle for a lot of time. Okay, so I mean, there's no point, right? इतना wastage का कोई there's no point. So circuit switching network is best utilized with telephone systems. Okay? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the first disadvantage of circuit switch, that for voice transmission it's really cool, but for data transmission it's not. Okay?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
हाँ. Now in terms of performance अभी देखते हैं. In terms of performance, there is delay prior to signal transfer for call establishment. मतलब जब performance की अगर बात करो, तो मैं अगर टेलीफोन सिस्टम्स हैं सर्किट स्विच में, तो मैं तभी ही बात कर सकती हूँ जब भी कॉल पूरी तरीके से एस्टैब्लिश हो और रिसीवर ने फोन उठाया हो. तो डिले कहाँ आता है? डिले आता है कॉल एस्टैब्लिश करने में. यानी ये जो दिख रहा है तुम लोगों को ऑरेंज लाइन, ये जब तक नहीं पहुंचेगी यहाँ तक, तब तक मुझे वेट करना है ना. So
Yes.
suppose for example at time interval t1 I decided to talk to station B. Okay, so I picked up my phone, okay, and I dialed. At time interval t1 I picked up. Time interval t2 I dialed. Time interval t3 it reached till here. t4 it reached here. t5 it reached here. t6 it reached here. t7 वो उसने उठाया. t8 पे उसने फोन उठाया, तो मुझे 8 सेकेंड्स के लिए वेट करना पड़ा. मैं t1 से t8 तक आ गई, तो वो डिले है थोड़ा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
है ना? वो थोड़ा डिले है, लेकिन कॉल एस्टैब्लिश होने के बाद में the network is fully utilized, and it's all obviously very transparent to the users also, because once the call is established, ऐसे लगता है that I'm directly talking to that person, just that I'm not able to see that person. But now because of video transmissions, I mean the video calling system, we can even see we can even see the person. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So once the call is established, the transmission is happening at a fixed rate, and there is no delay. There's no delay. Why there is no delay? Because the path is a dedicated path. यानी ये जो चैनल है, ये डेडिकेटेड चैनल है, तो एक बार एस्टैब्लिश करने के बाद में डिले नहीं होता. क्यों नहीं होता? क्योंकि इधर और कोई ट्रांसमिशन हो नहीं रहा है ना, इधर सिर्फ मेरा ही ट्रांसमिशन हो रहा है, तो डिले होगा ही नहीं, सिर्फ प्रोपोगेशन डिले होगा. प्रोपोगेशन डिले मीन्स यहाँ से अब मैं सपोज बात कर रही हूँ, तो देयर इज फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड्स का डिले ना टिल इट रीचेस यू.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand what is propagation? Transmission. मतलब एक जगह से अगर वो 10th प्ले पोजीशन पे बैठी है, बीच में 9 टर्मिनल्स है, तो 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. So this is propagation delay. Otherwise there is no delay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Great. So the best known example for circuit switch is the telephone network. Circuit switching technology has been driven by those applications that handle voice traffic. So for voice traffic, circuit switch is the best. Okay. For voice traffic, there must be virtually no transmission delay and certainly no variation in delay. What do you mean by variation in delay? See, except for propagation delay, there is no other delay. Delay कब आता है? जब वो पाथ में कंजेशन है या वो नोड के ऊपर इतना ज्यादा लोड है डेटा का कि वो ट्रांसमिट नहीं कर पा रहा है, तब डिले आएगा. वेरिएशन इन डिले मतलब देर इज नॉट अ फिक्स्ड रेट ऑफ डिले. एक पैकेट जा रहा है 5 सेकंड बाद, दूसरा पैकेट जा रहा है 10 सेकंड बाद, तीसरा पैकेट जा रहा है 15 सेकंड बाद, फोर्थ पैकेट जा रहा है 2 सेकंड बाद. दिस इज वेरिएशन इन डिले. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Variation in delay will happen only if the path is not a dedicated path. But in circuit switch network, the path is a dedicated path. So there is no delay except for propagation delay. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
वेरिएशन इन डिले की तो बात ही मत करो, डिले ही नहीं है तो वेरिएशन इन डिले तो आएगा ही नहीं, राइट? सिर्फ एक पर्टिकुलर डिले है, वो है प्रोपगेशन, उतना तो होगा ही. यू कैन नॉट अवॉइड दैट. ओके. And another advantage of circuit switch is that it's transparent. It's very I mean, you as a user, we know what is happening, right? How is the call established? Now, this is one, this is circuit switch concept. इसका textbook में heading ये है, but this is one circuit switch node. What is this? What is this?
Circuit switch node.
सर्किट स्विच नोड. यानी ये किसका एक्सपांशन है बताओ? ये एक्सपांशन है, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल ये 3 का एक्सपांशन है. ये नोड है,
Yes, ma'am.
ये भी नोड है, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ नोड, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ नोड, दिस इज ऑल्सो. सो एनी वन नोड दैट यू पिक अप, एक नोड अंदर से कैसा दिखता है, दैट इज डिपिक्टेड हियर. समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
डायग्राम समझा? डायग्राम में क्या दिया है कि एक ऐसे बहुत सारे नोड्स हैं, लेकिन ये एक ऐसा नोड है जो, और उसके एलिमेंट्स क्या है, ये एक पर्टिकुलर नोड को लेकर मैं तुम लोग को बताना चाहती हूँ कि एक नोड कनेक्शन कैसे एस्टैब्लिश करता है, अंदर से दिखता कैसा है, क्या क्या उसके एलिमेंट्स हैं, क्या क्या पार्ट्स होते हैं उसके. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is a single circuit switching node. Got it? Which type of node it is? Circuit switching node. That is important, huh? This is a single circuit switching node. Okay. Network built around a single circuit switch node consists of collection of stations attached to a central switching unit. What is central switching unit? See, I'll tell you, this reading this text now. See, now central switch, यानी ये digital switch, वही central switch है. This central switch, it establishes dedicated path between any 2 devices. Who are those 2 devices that wish to communicate? Now, for example, I told you that with one node, the one node can be connected to stations, can be connected to other nodes. So ये जो लाइंस दिख रही है ना, ये लाइंस क्या है पता है? ये लाइंस वो हार्डवेयर की पिन्स हैं जो ये नोड को दूसरे नोड्स और स्टेशंस के साथ कनेक्ट करेगी. समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
समझा ना? ये देखो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, ये नेटवर्क इंटरफेस. नेटवर्क इंटरफेस मतलब क्या? नेटवर्क इंटरफेस क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? वो सारा हार्डवेयर और फंक्शंस जो जरूरत है जिसकी, जो मुझे कनेक्ट करेगा. सपोज मैं अगर एक सेंट्रल नोड हूँ जो मुझे कनेक्ट करेगा दूसरे नोड्स के साथ. ठीक है? तो आई विल नीड दोज सॉकेट्स एंड दोज पिन्स ना टू एस्टैब्लिश दैट कनेक्शन. आई एम अ नोड, here there is another node, here there is another node, both are connected to me. So I'll need those pins and those sockets, right, to establish the connection. Yes,
Yes,
or
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
now if I'm a central node, if these two are the other nodes, 1, 2, 3, okay, my number is 2, there's 1, there's 3. So if I'm the center, if I'm the node and 1 is connected to 3, तो wire 2 ही जा रहा है ना,
Yes, ma'am.
wire 2
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये देखो यहाँ पे सपोज ये दिस इज नोड 1, आई एम नोड 2, यानी ये जो नोड है उसका नंबर तुम लोग 2 अज्यूम करो और ये 3 है. So 1 is connected to 3. That's why this dotted line signifies what? That there is an active connection right now going on via node 2. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो सपोज ये देखो ये 1 है, ठीक है, ये पर्टिकुलर जो नोड है वो 2 है, ये 3 है. सो 1 से 3 का कनेक्शन हुआ है वाया नोड 2, इसीलिए वो डॉटेड लाइन से रिप्रेजेंटेड है. देयर इज एन एक्टिव कनेक्शन. Now this is 4 and let's say this is 10. So 4 is connected to 10 via 2. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then here, let's say for example, this is 7. 7 is connected to 12 via 2. Got it? So dotted line will signify what? That there is an active connection. Okay, and there is a dedicated path between these two devices. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And
I'll tell you. The heart of the modern system is a digital switch. So this is the main part of the node, which is known as digital switch. The function of the digital switch is to provide a transparent signal path between any pair of attached devices. So इसका काम क्या है? ये दोनों को कनेक्शन में रखना, कनेक्शन एस्टेब्लिश करना और कनेक्शन में रखना इसका काम है. समझा? सो अभी अगर सपोज 1 को 3 से कनेक्ट करना है, तो अगर डिजिटल स्विच नहीं होगा ना तो कनेक्शन नहीं एस्टेब्लिश होगा, क्योंकि वो सारा सॉफ्टवेयर यानी वो सारा लॉजिक डिजिटल स्विच में है जो कनेक्ट करेगा. समझा?
yes, ma'am.
अभी देखो ये 1 है, मेरा ये जो नोड है वो 2 है, दिस इज 3. नाउ 1 हैज टू कनेक्ट टू 3. 1 will be able to connect to 3 only if the digital switch is establishing that connection. If the digital switch doesn't establish that connection, it will not happen. Okay, so that is the reason digital switch is the heart. Why? Because it is connecting one node to the other node via itself. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is network interface? Like I told you, network interface represents all the functions and hardware needed to connect digital devices, such as data processing devices, telephones, etc. to the network. So these are all the hardware which is used to connect a particular node to the network. Network में ही है ना? आखिर हम लोग सब लोग network में ही हैं. तो if I have to connect to the network, if I want to be a part of the network, I will need certain hardware elements or hardware devices which will enable me to get connected to the other devices in the network, and that is network interface. Interface means kya? I can be a part of a network only if I have a connection with the other systems. That connection is the interface. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now control unit क्या करता है? It performs 3 actions. What are those tasks? It establishes the connections, maintains the connections, and tear down the connection. Now digital switch will actually give a transparency to both the devices, and getting control of that connection will be done by control unit. So the control unit will have all the buffers, will have all the logic of which device is connected to which. उसके पास पूरा ऐसा log रहेगा कि okay, 1 is connected to 3, 1 is connected to 10, 2 is connected to 8. So which connection has to be terminated, which connection the data transmission is happening. ये सारा information control unit के पास में रहेगा. So the simple 3 steps is establishment of the connection, maintaining the connection, and tear down the connection. And transmission will happen via the transparency that is denoted using the dotted line, that is digital switch. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Some
Yes, ma'am.
So see, if data transmission has to happen, the digital switch will take care of that. It will transmit. It will take the data from here. It will transmit to here. So when the transmission is happening, that means there is a connection between these two devices. No, so that is digital switch का काम. लेकिन वो connection establish करना, किसका किसके साथ में connection है, किसने termination के लिए मांगा है, वो सब इसका काम है. Control unit का काम है. Maintain करके
Yes,
रखना इनको, वो सब control unit का काम है. So this is how your circuit switch node looks like. I will not start with packet switching today. Packet switching we will do in another class. But till today, what we have covered is what do you mean by switching techniques and what do you mean by circuit switching concepts. I hope it's understood.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Everybody, is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll just stop presenting. Stop recording.